In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button on Carrd. Whether you're sprucing up your website or adding new functionality, a button can make all the difference. Let's dive into the steps together and ensure you get it just right. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Carrd website. Carrd is a fantastic platform for creating stunning single-page websites, and it offers a variety of tools to make customization effortless. If you don't have an account already, you'll need to create one, but if you're familiar with Carrd, go ahead and log in. Once you're inside, determine the starting point for your design. Whether you're using a template or starting fresh, this step is all about getting into the editing environment. Once you're ready, the next step is to click anywhere outside of the existing page elements. Doing this will allow you to start accessing the different elements available within Carrd, including the button element. This might seem a bit tricky at first, but just find an area that isn't already occupied by text, images, or other components and give it a click. This action will bring up a menu where you'll find the option to add various elements, including the button we want to focus on today. Now that you have access to the button element, it's time to get creative. You'll need to choose a button style that suits the look and feel of your website. Carrd offers a range of styles, so take your time exploring the different options. Once you've settled on a style, customize the label by typing in the text you want your button to display. This could be anything from "Learn more" to "Contact us," whatever suits your needs. You can also add an icon, which can be a fun and engaging way to enrich your button's appearance. Don't forget the linked URL. This is where your visitors will be directed when they click the button. Make sure to enter the correct URL to ensure smooth navigation for anyone using your site. Additionally, you'll want to customize the colors. Carrd allows you to select colors for the button's background, hover state, label, and icon. So pick choices that align with your site's overall theme and make your button stand out. After you've adjusted all these settings to your liking, click Done. This will save your progress and allow you to see your newly created button in the context of your overall design. You can then move the button to the desired location within your page layout. Simply click and drag it to place it where it will be the most effective for your viewers. Be mindful of how it fits in with other elements to maintain a cohesive design that's both functional and visually appealing. And there you have it. You've successfully added a button to your Carrd website. Feel free to experiment with different styles and placements to see what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and happy design.